Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating the china to give you a feel for what's being listed rather than just a flat 2D graphic. These are the side plates, 6 3/4 inch diameter, made in 1930s by John Maddock in the characteristic Indian tree design. They really filled the block of pattern really nicely, didn't they, when they were making these, not skimping on the colour at all, with these 4 blocks of outer Indian tree rose design with the 2 border rim details and then gilt all around the rims. Just the remnants of the gilt on these. They're quite well retained when you look at them in a stack, but these side plates tend to be the most heavily used in the sort of dinner services as they were purchased, as opposed to the dinner plates, salad plates or dessert plates. But they're in good condition, considering these were made in the 1930s. Let me just show you one of the china marks. There you go, lovely rampant, well, not really rampant, is it? But certainly a full lion with the banner Maddock and England dates these to the mid-1930s. 9 of them available. We've got a lot of John Maddock Indian tree design going on, all similarly date matched from the 1930s in this box that I'm working my way through. We've got dessert plates, salad plates, dinner plates. We've got some interesting shapes and sizes of dessert bowls coming through and soup bowls as well. So if you are a collector of Indian tree and you're taking a shine or interest in these, then do have a look through the website catalogue by doing a search on Maddock Indian tree. It should differentiate all the other Indian tree manufactured china from these. Made in earthenware china by John Maddock, 1930s Indian tree side plates. Thanks for watching.